Daytona. We are here and everyone is out camping. We're actually on the inner circuit and inner track. You can actually see that. But they're obviously not using that because we're here at a NASCAR race, so they're gonna be using the oval, and it's all along here. This is actually my first time at Daytona, so I'm really excited and should be a lot of fun. So every single team truck is lined up along here, and you can see all the stands going fully wrapping around Daytona here. You can see there are literally like so many teams. Here we are on the grass in the middle of Daytona right now. It's so slanted. I can like fully lean myself back. There we go. And along here from the grass, you can see every single garage. And this is where the pit lane is, where literally they all pull into the pits right here. No one's allowed in this area, but they all pull in, and each station, we're actually going up in there later with Trackhouse, so that should be pretty cool. I got a nice little VIP credential here. So I know you drive NASCARs, but what is your favorite street car?
Well, I love my Chevy Tahoe, obviously, but I love old rally cars, so I'm trying to collect 90s sort of rally cars. So at the moment I got a Subaru WRX, Tommy Mäkinen Mitsubishi, and I want to get the Celica, like the ST205, which was when they got caught cheating in WRC. So if I have that era of cars, that's what I like. Yeah.
Okay, very cool, thank you. It's not very quiet, not quiet at all. Trailer here, and it seems like it's kind of tight, like height-wise here, but that's because they keep two cars right above there, and you can see right in the top, right up there, is where they keep the cars. So they literally store the cars right above us here, and then they have all the parts, spare parts, and everything all organized in here to do whatever they need to do for the race. It's starting to fill out now, and we're about an hour and a half out from the race here. The garages have been cleared of all the cars. They're literally rolling out the cars right now. The stands are starting to fill up, and we're headed over to the pit lane.
So the thing I love about this sport is that all of our partners, our fans, can be in amongst the team, in its sanctum. There's not many sports where you can be an arm's length away from pit road, pit stops, where all the action happens. Throughout the night as well, you guys actually have the opportunity to sit on top of the pit box and see what happens behind the scenes. So you'll have Shane's crew chief, Stephen, and the entire 88 technical team sitting at the front, and you guys will be right behind him. So you'll have radio scanners listening to Shane and his spotter, and I'll talk about the spotter in a little bit, but you'll see all the data and things like that at the front of the screens as well, which will just show you it's not as simple as getting a car and going around and around in circles. There's so much more behind the scenes that goes into preparing a car, getting a car out the track, let alone racing it and hopefully battling it for the win. So like I said in the haulers, everything you see here is very demountable, very portable. So this all folds down and packs up into somewhat of a cube and then gets shipped into a truck and onto the next race. So like I said before, the real race happens after the race. We get everything completely packed up within an hour, and then we are on that plane, which is parked at the back, and on our way to Charlotte we go. We don't have the luxury of wasting time setting up, packing out for hours and hours. We want to get home because come Monday morning, we're back in the Trackhouse workshop, pulling the cars apart, unloading, setting everything up, reloading, and then on to the next race we go.
Here's the pit stops where they actually make the pit stops. Right here. Check this out here, all the cars getting ready right before the race. How cool is that to see them all lined up here? This is literally where we're we're gonna be later tonight when the actual race is going down. All the cars, they pull in just like this and go straight into the pit lane. The tire changes, everything gets done right here, right where we're standing. Pretty cool to see this all and like to actually see the action happening here. And then all the cars here. It's going to be loud, really cool, and I'm actually really excited. This is my second NASCAR race I've ever been to, so it should be a lot of fun. And you ready, bud? You excited?
Very excited.
First ever NASCAR race.
It is indeed. And it won't be the last.
So sitting on the side of the track here and sitting on part of the oval, it's really interesting. I've driven half of an oval before in my Lamborghini Super Trofeo, and it's really weird because you like can't feel the grip and you don't know where the grip limit is when you're on such a huge incline or on such a huge increase. You have all of this angle pushing you into the ground, and your normal limits of the car are not your normal limits anymore. So it's a really weird experience.
Good luck.
Thank you, appreciate it. No fun. Did they pick up on the
They changed the tires in the race. They have a serious job.
Big job over here.
Very serious.
Look at how insane it is here though. Crazy.
It's your grand marshal, WWE superstar. Let's hear it for Kevin Owens.
95 pounds fueling right here. 95.6. You can see it right there. And this is the giant. I mean, I'm 7 feet tall and this thing is nearly as tall as me. That's huge. The amount of access you have here is insane. Formula One would never let you do any of this. Just walking along on the pit lane never would happen. But I guess with NASCAR, they're chill with it. I mean, they're literally working and doing things like right where we're walking by, and I saw someone trip over something. Like Formula One would never, but this is cool. Helicopters right there. They got all the cars here, and the pit crew, the garages, everything is getting ready to go. The race is about to start. Oh my. Oh my. Can you hear anything? He can't hear anything. Not a thing at all. This is literally the best seat in the entire house. Like, it doesn't get any better than this. Literally sitting up top, up over here, up over the pit lane. The view doesn't get any better than this. And they are off. Here we go. That's not good, folks. Don't want to see that happen. Oh my God. A huge crash just happened right in front of me. Oh my God. You can still see all the smoke. It's literally all being out here, this is like the real deal in here, in the pit lane, in the garage. We're headed over to a different set of seats right now to watch the race, but all the cars are stopped because of that huge crash, but it's intense in there. It is so loud hearing the NASCAR drive by, but look at how cool Daytona is. I mean, come on. on. This is so cool. Daytona International Speedway. Now I just need to come back for the 24 hours of Daytona and my life will be complete. This is incredible. You have to experience this for yourself, but I'm doing my best to show you guys what it's like to experience this race and a NASCAR race at Daytona. Amazing, incredible, beautiful, and I hope you think so too. Shaving off the tires and wow. We're back up in the pit box, watching everything fly by. This is the best place to watch a NASCAR race, and for my second race, it's not too bad at all. Took it to the very end. Oh my god.
That's a pretty big one.
What an ending. Oh my god. An incredible ending and what an incredible race. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram @CampCasey and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.